Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boot into recovery mode on ACER Aspire 3. To do it, go to the settings right here. Then in the settings, you should go to Windows Update. Then go to Advanced Options. And now go to Recovery. Then click on Advanced Startup. Click on Restart Now and click on Restart Now. Now wait until it reboots into the recovery mode. And now you're in the recovery mode. You can click on Continue to just exit it. You can turn off your PC. You can also use a device like USB drive, network connection, or Windows Recovery DVD, or Troubleshoot. In Troubleshoot, you can click on Reset this PC or go to Advanced Options, and for example, with that you can set some settings, whatever. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.